Hi! In front of me is Honor 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into device settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to, like that one. Wait a bit and select pair in the pop-up. Over here. Then wait for this device, in my case Oppo, to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device and tapping on unpair at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!